Remember the roar of a true American classic? The sleek lines that turned heads. The power that defined an era. Well, prepare yourselves, because a legend is being reborn. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. This is the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500. For decades, the Ford Galaxie 500 was synonymous with American automotive grandeur. It was the epitome of style, comfort, and performance, gracing driveways and dominating highways. And now, for 2026, Ford is bringing that iconic nameplate back, but with a thoroughly modern twist. They're not just resurrecting a name, they're reimagining a legacy. This isn't your grandpa's Galaxie, but it carries the spirit of what made those cars so special. Let's start where first impressions are made, the exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Galaxie 500, it's clear Ford has masterfully blended nostalgia with cutting-edge design. Up front, those quad headlights are a direct nod to the original, but reimagined with modern LED technology, offering incredible illumination and a signature daytime running light pattern. The grille is bold, commanding, and prominently features the Ford script, a touch that true enthusiasts will appreciate. Moving along the side, the silhouette is undeniably sleek. Notice the long flowing lines, the subtle chrome accents along the windowsills and rocker panels. These are the details that elevate the Galaxie 500 from a mere car to a work of art. The classic hardtop roofline, seen here, is a welcome return, providing that pillarless elegance that was so characteristic of the original. The wheels, while modern in their execution, have a classic inspired dish design, perfectly filling the wheel wells and giving the car an aggressive planted stance. And then we get to the rear. Those iconic circular taillights are back, but transformed with a mesmerizing LED light signature that's absolutely unmistakable, day or night. The chrome bumper is substantial and perfectly integrated, reflecting the premium feel of the vehicle. And the badging, Galaxie and 500, it's tastefully done, acknowledging its heritage without being overtly retro. This is a car that looks substantial, luxurious, and powerful from every angle. It's a design that's sure to spark conversations wherever you go. Step inside the 2026 Galaxie 500, and you're greeted by an interior that seamlessly blends vintage inspiration with state-of-the-art technology and luxury. Ford has truly prioritized driver and passenger comfort, creating a spacious and inviting cabin. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal design, reminiscent of classic Galaxies, but with a massive, high-definition digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable. Adjacent to that, a large touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center stack, offering intuitive control over navigation, media, and climate. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are, of course, standard, along with Ford's latest sync system. Now, let's talk about what truly brings the Galaxie 500 to life. What's under the hood? Rumors suggest a new twin-turbocharged V6 as the standard engine, delivering exhilarating performance while maintaining respectable fuel economy. For those who crave even more power, a V8 option, perhaps a hybridized unit, is also anticipated, providing that classic American muscle car rumble with modern efficiency. The transmission is expected to be a smooth and responsive 10-speed automatic, sending power to the rear wheels just as a true Galaxie should. Ford has also hinted at an available all-wheel drive system for those who demand all-weather capability. What do you think of the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500? Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited about its return? What features are you most looking forward to? Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.